I started playing basketball when I was 5 years old. Well, that's when I had enough strength to shoot on the 10-foot rim. I was a decent sized kid. I was never average or the same as others. I was I was always different than others. I was the strong kid, the kid that listens, the teacher's pet, quote unquote. There are many names that I was called. I took those as compliments and kept moving and blessings came my way. But back to when I was five. At five, I played street ball with big kids and older family members. As I got older, I was getting better and better. Then in fifth grade, I played on the first team I ever played for, which was for my school. At the time, I went to Wendell Smith Elementary School. I was averaging 10 to 12 points a game. At the time, I just knew to play hard. When I was in sixth grade, I couldn't play on the team because I tried to fit into the wrong crowd. I had too many detentions. My brother took that advantage and played for that year. While he was playing, I had the job to walk my little sister home every day from school. I learned my lesson after that. I knew I had to turn my life around or I'd be like the other guy that graduated from that school. So that's when I began. I always had good grades. I was always a smart kid. I maintained a 3.5 GPA since first grade. In Chicago, kindergartners had numbers as grades, so I didn't know what my grade was. When my seventh to eighth grade years came, I was prepared for basketball and testing. I was so focused on what's going to happen next instead of what was happening then. Everyone was stuck on who was going to be valedictorian and salutatorian, and I was stuck on what high school I was going to attend. When school was coming to an end, I was elected salutatorian without even knowing it. It was a surprise to me, but I was chosen. All it did was draw haters to me, but I didn't have to hear it for long. During my freshman year of basketball, I got to make friends and play the game that I love all at once. It was fun. Now I'm still grinding and not stopping, no matter what. There are lots of challenges and risks of being a basketball player, but you have to put your heart, mind, and soul into it. There is no reason to stop something you love. And once I realized that, nothing kept me away from basketball. That is what determined me to go to practice and grind hard daily. Yes, being a big brother are lots of challenges, and that I have to face to do these things I love. For example, if the house isn't clean, I can't leave the house. It's a rule. I have to clean other people's chores just to go. It's hard being a big brother, but after a while, you learn to deal with it.